a while ago, so simula kaninang morning, they were writing questions for you guys. Pwedeng questions, pwedeng message. And now we'll be giving this time for you, Marcus and Vinci, to pick. Siguro kahit two each kayo.
Okay.
Pick which one you would like to read or you would like to keep. Ayan. So pwede kayong lumapit.
Let's go.
Ayan, basahin nyo ng maigi. Okay guys, dasalan nyo na mapili nila yung mga messages nyo.
Sabihin mo pag stop. Stop!
Okay. So, pwede mo siyang basahin.
This is from Yenne. Vinci and Marcus always keep fighting. Anchors love you.
Ayan.
Love you too.
Asan si Yenne? Sino yung nagsulat? Andun siya. Ayun, tumakaway siya.
Thank you po. Okay, you tell stop. Stop. What hobbies do you enjoy during your free time? From Eva. I know this person. She's always watching my lives.
Oh wow! You remember the names of the lives.
Okay. Hobbies you enjoy during free time? I like to play the piano recently. I've been trying to just play around and syempre, video games. Yeah, I love video games. I'm a gamer.
When it comes to K-pop, I like watching new releases, so I'm just updated on what's popping.
True. He's always, you're always hitting me up with the new releases.
Yeah, trying to update everyone.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ever.
Next.
Okay, I'll tell
Two
stop.
more.
Okay, go. Wait. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I'll tell stop. Stop. Okay. From Chell. Okay.
Ayun, sumigaw siya. Nasaan si Chel?
Hello po. I think you should read it.
Okay. Hi Chien Supreme, do you have a new song coming up for Horizon? I actually written something kasabay ng Cole, and that's something that is not released, but I don't even know if it's gonna see the light of day.
Yeah,
but I have something backed up.
We couldn't even record that one.
But we're gonna wait.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, yeah, but there will be something, so just wait.
We're also trying to prepare something for the anniversary.
Yeah.
Because it's almost our debut anniversary again. Second debut.
Second year.
Wow.
So yeah.
Teaser na. And of course, for our last post-it.
Tell stop. Stop. For Marcus, ano po masarap na ulam mo? I mean, your life. Cute ng handwriting niya.
Maganda
Sino
ba?
nagsulat?
Kuya Chris.
Kuya Chris.
Shout out to Kuya Chris.
Parehas kami ng handwriting pababa.
Pababa?
May landslide.
Ganon.
Pababa.
My favorite food is cheese tonkatsu. Yeah.
Cheese tonkatsu. Yun ba ang recommendation mo for their lunch today?
Yeah. And when you go to Korea, go to this place called Just Katsu. Sobrang sarap ng cheese tonkatsu nila. What about you? What's your favorite?
Okay, we can try Korea. Favorite namin Horizon is Mom's Touch.
Mom's Touch.
It's chicken sandwich place.
Chicken sandwich. Ayan guys, marami na kayo nakukuha tips sa kanila when you go to Korea. One last.
Yes.
One last for the both of you.
Okay, for the both of us.
Okay. As a member of a global pop group, how do you handle stress?
Dito tayo sa harap.
This is a very deep question. Wow.
It's meant to be chosen.
Yeah, honestly, mental health is something that we prioritize as a group. Kasi marami na tayong beses, di ba, na we felt burnout. I mean, personally for me. How about you?
Yeah, and I think it's normal din naman.
Yeah, it's normal kasi
Bound to happen.
kumbaga our lives are always, our careers as idols never really stop kasi it's always another day to practice for the next performance, for the next appearance, because there are always our anchors here who are always showing support and love for us. So it's just right that we also pour in the same effort as them or even more. And I think it's just like, give and take. And yeah, we love doing what we do and we're going to continue doing it.
Yeah, and that applies to everyone, not just for idols and this industry. For everyone, kahit students, mga workers, you know, you guys, everyone has their own stress. You know, everyone is...
K-pop fans din, di ba? Mga
Yeah.
K-pop fans yan.
Yes.
Mahirap kaya mag-vote, gagawa ka ng
Oo, ang hirap kaya mag-stream ng mga music videos.
Blackpink tickets.
Pero, yeah, like, everyone will go through stress at some point, and at some point you will feel burnt out. And I want you guys to know that it's really normal. And for me, what I do is I just listen to music. It's kind of my way of healing. And whenever you feel stuck, whenever you feel sad, just take it slowly and just relax a little bit, and slowly but surely try to, you know, stand up. Kaya niyo yan, guys. We love you. We're here.